Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Saqib from Career Institute, and today I'm again with another topic that is describe an important text message you received. So students, as I have told you earlier that we are going to get with such type of cue cards that are latest and that students may find it difficult to answer, so it is one of those tasks. So let's try to answer this task and this cue card. So first of all, let me explain you something. Describe an important text message. Sometimes it happens that whenever students come across such type of cue card, they are really stuck and they don't know how to answer anything. But again, after watching this video, you will come to know that how you can easily handle such type of task. Okay. In this concern, I would like to tell you about what type of message I received and how it was important for me. So let's start with this. I would like to tell an important text message in the context of recent third wave of coronavirus COVID-19, and I would like to say that it was actually I would say that it was 2 months back that I was ready for my exams, and due to COVID-19 we could not attend properly our classes at university, and students were really running short of preparation for the exams, and they were really I think in a very they were in a problematic condition that how they would be able to appear in the exams. The universities has announced the exam date, and especially our university of mine has also given students the timetable and schedule of exam, and we were not really prepared for the exams. But it happened that 2 days before exam, we were also very much surprised because we don't have sufficient material or sportive data in order to sit in and have good performance in exams. But it happened that 2 days before exam, I got a message from the university that exams have been cancelled. Though apparently it looks very odd that a student feels happy, but it was actually and it was realistically talking, I was really much delighted and I was feeling very gleeful and spirited whenever I got this message. Not only it was concern of mine, but rest of the students also were feeling as they were escaped from the prison, and it was really like a gala day for us. And we even, you don't believe, we celebrated this message, and we were all enjoying and dancing happily because the major Pandora box of exam have been removed, and now we were free and mentally relaxed, and we were able to get our preparation in a better way for the next exams. So I think it was an important text message in this concern. Now I would like to talk about this same cue card in another context. I would like to say that once I was running short of money. It was a couple of months back that I didn't have a single penny in my wallet, and not even in my accounts. So I was much surprised, and circumstances also got worse, and even I was not able to pay my rent of the apartment for the last 3 months. So I was thinking that how could I manage that, and I asked some of my friends for financial assistance. They were all helpless and they couldn't support me because due to COVID-19 the condition of the business was very deplorable. It was very disappointing. So I was sitting in my room and I was thinking that what to do now, and fortunately I got a message on my mobile. When I saw the message, I was surprised to see that 1,10,000 rupees have been credited into my accounts. So I was surprised that from where this blessing got happened, but whenever I checked the details, and I came to know that actually I was having a savings accounts, and due to my last transactions, and because I have put money or kept money for a long time before 2 months in my accounts, so definitely they make a gross payment, gross profit. So the gross profit amount of the profit has been added. So I was really feeling thankful and grateful to Almighty, and I was thinking that it was really like a blessing in disguise for me, and I was able to pay my debts in a better way. So I managed to pay my rents and other particulars and other expenses that were due. and it was really important message for me, and I would like to share it with you. So this was actually an important task. So students, you can answer this type of question in different scenario and different contexts. Even you can add more contexts, but the thing is that you should be very particular. You should be active, and you should be I think ready to answer any type of question or cue card, or you should be ready to manage any type of situation. Keep watching my videos and please comment, so that's why I will be able to add more stuff, or how can I make videos more effective